Crispy fried chicken drumstick. This is very easy to make, and trust me, it is better than street food fried chicken. It turned out crispy, crunchy and delicious. Let's get started. In my bowl, I added in water, salt, sugar, chopped onion, garlic and chili pepper. The chili pepper is optional. I then stirred till the sugar and the salt are dissolved completely in the water before going in with my chicken drumstick. Once you are done, cover it with a clean film and let it sit from 2 to 4 hours. You want to marinate it before frying it. After 4 hours, let's go ahead and mix the flour. So in the bowl, I added in flour, cornstarch, baking powder. I added in good taste ginger, garlic and onion powder. This is very nice when you use it, so I'll leave a link in case you want to purchase it. I then added in chili powder, all-purpose seasoning, chicken barbecue flavor. I added in turmeric powder, salt and stir till well combined. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So I scoop about 2 to 3 tablespoons in a different bowl, and then I added in 1 egg and milk. If you don't have milk, in case you don't have milk, you can use water. I whisk till well combined, and this is the consistency you're looking for. Keep it aside. Now bring the chicken and drain the water and make sure the chicken is clean before adding in your seasoning. So I added in good taste chicken seasoning and then some salt and chili powder. So instead of the chili powder, you can use black pepper. But me, I want some heat in my chicken, so I added in chili powder. Then mix it well combined before coating it in the flour. So once everything is set, go ahead and start coating it. First in the flour, make sure you coat it well. Shake off any excess flour and put it in the batter mixture. So once you are done mixing it in that one, to put it back in the flour, and this is ready to be fried. And make sure you shake out any excess liquid before putting it back in the flour. So as you can tell from the video, this is very simple. It is very extremely simple to make. Once you are done, shake out any excess flour and fry this bad boys. Wow and wow, this was delicious. It was very delicious. It turned out crispy, crunchy, and it was delicious. The chicken itself was soft inside, but the coated flour that I did earlier on, it turned out great. This is better than street food fried chicken. So you do not want to set your fire on medium high. If not, it will get brown quickly and it wouldn't cook in the inside. So make sure you put it on medium low and let it fry slowly until it is ready. You do not want to put it to the lowest part, so if not, it will absorb some of the oil. So just adjust the fire, stay close to it and keep turning until you get to this point. And guys, just look at this. Wow, this was delicious. Try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, follow me if you haven't already. See you till then, bye.